The first step is to go to the taskbar, right-click on it, and open Task Manager. Scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Click on it, then click Restart at the bottom. This can temporarily fix the issue. From what I've experienced on my PC, this error appeared after a Windows update. Unfortunately, Windows updates sometimes come with bugs, but the good news is that Microsoft tends to fix them quickly with new updates. After restarting Windows Explorer, check if the Start menu and Explorer.Exe are working. If everything is functioning, you're good to go. Next, if everything is working, head to the Start menu, click on Settings, go to Update and Security, and finally, go to Windows Update to install any available updates. As I mentioned, new Windows 10 updates can cause issues, but Microsoft usually releases patches to fix these bugs. Keeping your system up to date should prevent this problem from happening again. Now, I want to discuss a more severe version of this error. In this case, you not only get the Explorer.Exe class is not registered error, but you also see a black screen where Explorer.Exe doesn't work at all. You won't see the taskbar or any icons. Let me show you how to fix this. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, or Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Then select Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, click on the Services tab and then click on Open Services at the bottom. This will open the official Windows 10 Services window. From here, click the blue question mark icon for help, and the Microsoft Management Console, MMC, will appear. In MMC, click on Options, then Internet Options. In the new window that appears, click the question mark next to the Exit button to open Internet Explorer. Now, we'll need to launch the command prompt. Open Task Manager again, scroll down to any Windows service, right-click on it, and select Open File Location. Windows Explorer will open. Go to This PC and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on any of the results and select Run as Administrator. Then confirm with Yes. Next, we'll open the old control panel. In Command Prompt, type Start Control and hit Enter. From the control panel, go to Programs and select Turn Windows Features on or off. If Internet Explorer 11 is checked, uncheck it and click Yes. Then click OK, and Windows will apply the changes and request a restart. After the restart, the black screen should be gone and the class is not registered error should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.